Is there any LMS or anything like that where you will be sharing these videos and all, or is it by email?
Devendra has already shared the video repository with you guys. Okay, so you might have received an email from Google Docs, and there you will find all the previous classes video as well as current batch videos.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we can start. So what we are going to do is we are going to create everyone's Salesforce developer org. So for that, I am I am providing you the link on the chat section. Okay. Any one of you who do not have the Salesforce developer org can share their screen. So we will go through the process how we can create the developer org, and along with that, everyone can create their developer org. Okay, so who wants to share their screen?
I can go ahead.
I'm sharing.
Okay,
Oh, okay.
okay, go ahead.
So is my screen visible?
Not yet.
Okay, let me just share.
And one more request, when you join the meeting, okay, join with your first name and last name.
Okay, okay. Okay, I'm not able. Okay. Okay, I don't know. Somehow I'm not able to share. Somebody else can do it. It's taking time. Sorry.
Okay,
I can share.
yeah, go ahead.
Let me know if you are able to see the screen.
Yes, yes, we can see your screen. Okay, great. So you have already pasted that link here in the Google Chrome. So everyone, please, go ahead with the steps which we are going to take now. So yeah, the first thing which you have to do is you'll have to enter your first name, your last name, valid email address, because once you create your developer or Salesforce will send you the email to verify that account. Okay, and if the email address is not valid, then you won't be able to receive it. So always put your valid email address there. Okay, now select role as administrator. Enter company name as GuruSchools. It will be one word. Okay. Select your country region. Okay. Now enter your state and postal code. Okay. Now username. This is very important step. So for Salesforce, we have to provide the username in the email format. Okay. So you can see the example there, Jane at company.sandbox or let's say Amrapali at GuruSchools at Amrapali at gmail.com, something like that. So you have to always provide your username in the email format. It need not need to be like the valid email address, because there might be scenarios that you are creating more than one developer org, okay, and usernames are unique for each and every org, so you cannot use your username which you have already used in the previous developer org, okay, so it has to be unique for each and every developer org. So sometimes it may happen that you are creating more than one developer org and you have already given your username there. So you might add something prefix or suffix there, okay, as per your convenience. Yeah. Okay. Now you'll have to select terms and conditions and sign me up. Click on sign me up. It will take some time to receive the email from Salesforce. So once you receive it, you'll have to verify that particular account.
Will be there in the email, right?
Yes.
Okay. It says it's not a valid email address. It's a problem here.
Where?
This one, username.
No, username, there should not be like it's not necessary that username should be valid email address, but the email address which you provide earlier, right, that has to be a valid email address.
Yeah, this is valid one. This is the one. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Can you show that email to everyone?
Yeah. I think I'm sharing it. Are you able to see it?
No, I can still see the say developer org sign up
One
page.
second. Now can you see it?
No.
Stop share. Share screen.
Okay.
Okay, so I did actually create with that particular email address long time back. I think many years back, I did use this BMOPOR email ID for creation of the Salesforce org. So in that case, what needs to be done?
I don't think it's like we cannot use same email address for multiple developer org. Okay. Then it must be a new policy of Salesforce. No worries. Okay, let me check again because I'm not sure regarding this scenario. Guys, did you try to do the same steps in your system?
Yeah,
Did
this
you receive
Matthews.
the email?
Yeah, this
And
Matthews.
Matthews.
I did it and I got the mail. Let me share my
Okay,
screen.
okay. Yes.
So I did it, but I did not get the email yet. It's saying check your email, but I did not get it.
Same here. I did not
Yeah.
get any mail showing
It takes some
success.
time.
Okay, okay.
You are able to see my screen, right?
It says error page. Only that page I can see.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. I have just shared you the error message which I got it in the developer in the chat message.
I've got a message, email.
Okay.
Okay. I did not get yet. So
I can share my screen.
Okay, let me stop sharing.
Okay. Okay.
You want me to share my screen? I've got email.
Yes, please.
Okay,
Please
thank
share
you.
your screen.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, right. So as you can see, this is the email to verify the account, okay, and the username is also given there. So even if you, let's say, forget your username, okay, in future you can always come back to this email, right? Now you can verify it. Click on verify account, and it will take you to the page to set up your password. Okay. So it says it will take few minutes, okay, and it will automatically refresh. So this page will take you to the password reset page, okay. There you will have to give your password,
Okay.
and then you will be ready for your Salesforce developer part. Okay, now who received the error message? This one that you are already using that username in another Salesforce or right. So as I said earlier, each and every developer or uses the unique username, right? So if you have already created your Salesforce developer or let's say long back 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 2 years ago, okay, that means you have already used that particular email address as your username. So you'll have to provide a different username there, okay? Different username you'll have to provide. So try the exact same steps. Even the error which we saw earlier, right? Sorry, we can't enroll you in the Salesforce Developer Edition. So for that also, use the different username, okay? Do not use the exact same email address. So add something, prefix or suffix there. Yeah. Aditi, you'll have to provide your password here. Okay, you'll have to confirm your password and then you'll have to give the security question as well. So there is a list of security question. You can select any one question, right? And when you do that, okay, always remember what answer you have given there, because at the time of password reset, okay, Salesforce will ask you this security question. Okay, so you can stop your screen sharing and give your password there. Yeah. Is it still giving you error, Matthew?
Yeah, I got this message saying that we have hit a snag.
Okay.
That's what it said.
Okay. Refresh the page. Try to refresh it.
Just F5, right?
Yes. And if it is not working, then go to that email and try hitting the verify account button again.
So for me, it's saying you have already entered with that that email ID. So I have used the same email ID before.
Exactly, because if you have already created the Salesforce developer org previously, that means you have already used the email address, as well as you have already used the exact same email address as your username. So this time when you give the email address, provide your valid email address, whatever you have used in the previous org, but give the different username. Okay, just add suffix or prefix like 0100, whatever you want. Okay, just add it and provide different username.
Okay, so thanks for signing up. I verify account. Should I do that?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Let me know, guys, if you are in the Salesforce org.
So my page is saying this process can take a few minutes.
Okay.
This page will auto refresh when ready. So
Yeah. So when it will be auto refresh, right? It will ask you to give your password. You'll have to confirm your password like this, which you can see on the screen. And you'll have to select the security question. You'll have to give the answer for that, and remember that answer, because in future if you forget your password and if you want to reset it, Salesforce will ask the security question.
okay.
Okay, I'm like removing the share. Okay.
Yes.
How much time does it take generally? Should I do it again? It's taking so long.
No, you don't have to do anything. Just wait for a couple of minutes.
Okay.
So I'm also getting the same message like stay tuned. We are setting things up. This process
Mhm.
can
I'm
take minutes.
I'm able to log in.
Okay, great.
So I am getting a notification message saying that develop.lightning.force.com wants to something like that, show notification. Should I allow or block it?
It depends on you. If you want to allow it, you can do it. I usually don't allow.
What is it? Sorry, I didn't hear that.
If you want to allow it, then you can do it. Notification from your developer, or if you don't, then click there, like if you have any option don't allow, you can
Yeah,
click
there's a thing like block. Okay, I'll block it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I am getting another error message. Can I share so that you can able to help me?
Yes.
So, 1 second. Let me know if you are able to see the screen.
Mhm. It seems this is like kind of a refresh error. You'll have to refresh the page, and if still this error is there, then okay, yeah. Now you are in Salesforce
Yeah.
Developer Org. Great.
Thank you.
Mhm. Okay. So is everyone able to log in?
I am unable to log in.
Anyone?
Please help. Can I
Okay, for me, it's asking for new password. Should I do that?
Yes. You'll have to, yeah, give your password there, confirm the password, provide your security question answer.
Hmm.
Okay. Does anyone need any help regarding this developer org?
Yeah, I need help. I'm unable
Okay.
to log in.
Okay. Are you receiving any kind of error?
Yeah, it says please check your username and password. If you still can't log in, contact your Salesforce administrator.
So you just created your Salesforce org, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, share your screen, enter your correct, sorry, excuse me, uh, username and password. You'll have to enter the correct username and password. Otherwise, you won't be able to log in.
Can you see my screen?
Yes. How many times did you log in? Is it
Just
is
two
it more
times.
than 3?
No, 2 times.
No, 2 times. Okay. So you can log in or try logging max to max 3 times. Okay.
Okay.
If the username and password is still wrong, then your Salesforce will get locked automatically for maybe 15 minutes or something.
Okay.
So is it a new developer org or is it the like old developer org which you
No,
are
this is
trying
my
to
first
log
time
in?
doing it.
Sorry?
This is the first time I'm doing it.
Okay.
So after creating password, it's again saying stay tuned. We are setting things up. So that's right, right? Yeah.
Yes. Uh, Before logging in, can you try and check your email address just to verify your username? The email which you received just now to verify the account, right? It
Mhm.
should have your username there.
Yeah, it's the same.
It's the same. Okay. Enter your password, whatever password you have given there. Okay. It seems something is wrong there. Might be password. Click on forgot your password, that button. Okay, give your username there. Okay, now go to your email address, go to your inbox, and you might have received an email from Salesforce to reset your password.
I got a link.
Yes. Mhm. Enter your username.
So I arrived in a page, call it, it's
Can we do one by one thing, because this
Sure,
is in the middle, right? Yeah.
sure.
So first enter your username. It says we have sent an email to your uh, email address. So go to your inbox,
Okay.
your Outlook.
Mm-hmm.
Open your Outlook and check if you have received any email from Salesforce or not.
Yeah, I got this message, this email.
Okay, click on that. Or copy and paste it in the browser. If you are pasting it in the browser, could you please switch to that page, because I can only see your Outlook.
Oh, okay. Will do it. Can you see now?
It's still no, it's not correct. Can you go to your inbox again? Okay. There is one more link. 17. Yeah. Second one. Yeah. Go to the second one. No. Yeah, that one. Okay, open this link. Enter your username. Passwords are case sensitive, right? So let's say if you have given any alphabet there in caps, okay, you will have to enter the exact same. No, it's not correct. There might be something wrong, because as I said earlier, when you log in more than 3 times in Salesforce with wrong username and password, it gets locked automatically. Okay, so just wait for 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes and then try to reset your password.
Okay.
Okay. Great. Okay. Yeah. You can stop your screen sharing. Yeah. Who has issues in logging in or setting up developer, or sorry, someone was saying something and
Yeah,
I was completely focused here.
so sorry. Yeah. So I arrived in a page which is saying quarterly performance assist.
That means you are logged in your Salesforce. Okay, that
Yeah.
is the default
Yeah.
page from
Okay.
Salesforce.
So it's set, right? Okay.
Yes. So whatever username password you are giving them at the time of account creation, okay,
Mhm.
remember it,
Mhm.
because then if you put something wrong there, maybe username or password is wrong, then it might be difficult for you to log.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, great. Now, whosoever has already logged in the Salesforce org, okay, I'll show you some steps. Just try to do those steps in your personal demo. Okay, so just give me 2 minutes. Okay, so I will share my screen now. Please pay attention. Okay, great. So you can see my Salesforce screen. Okay. There might be possibility that you are on this particular setup screen right now. Okay. If you are on this particular screen or any other screen, it doesn't matter on which page you are right now. What you'll have to do is click on this avatar icon or view profile. Okay. This at the top right corner. Click on it, then click on settings. You can follow the same steps in your demo with me, and then go to the advanced user detail. This one on the left hand side panel, you will see my personal information. Below that, the first option is advanced user detail. Okay, do all these steps, come to this page and then let me know. Then I will, show you the next steps.
You have to go to view profile and settings, right?
In settings, if you are already in setting page, okay, let me show you. Sorry. If you are already, yes, view profile and then settings, this setting. So once click on that, okay, this page will get open. Okay, so here you will have to click on advanced user detail.
Okay. Okay.
If you are already on this particular page, just update it in the chat section. Okay.
I cannot edit because I'm getting a message. You cannot display this message because your browser blocked the certain domain cookies.
Okay. Okay. You'll have to, provide, like your browser have to allow, this. So if you're using Chrome,
Yeah,
when something is blocked, okay, here you will get a small notification in the red. Okay, just click on it, or if not, then go to the browser setting.
mm,
Here, settings.
browser settings. Yeah,
Different is,
Pop-up block or something is there, maybe cookies or something.
Should I, what I'm supposed to select here?
Where?
Should I select third party cookies or something?
Uh, uh, yeah, try to do that. Because there might be some pop-up block or some third
Here
party
I
cookie
am
or
getting,
something like that.
no.
Even in the site
Can you
settings,
do?
in the site settings, it was there.
Okay.
Here what I'm supposed to select?
No, go for the pop-up one more time. There it was.
Pop-up.
Yeah, see in the last one.
This
Yeah.
one, right. Site settings. Here you'll have to allow it. This one, right?
Site settings.
And sometimes it comes here as well, because when we try to open any new website or
I'm
something,
not
and
getting it.
can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure.
Let me stop the screen sharing.
Yeah.
Okay. What that I symbol, can you hover over on that in the URL? Not that
Notification.
one. That is the bell icon. No, not that one. In the browser. URL. Yeah. What is that?
Third party cookies
Yes.
block.
Click on that. Click on that.
Should I turn it
Allow
on?
it. Yes. Okay.
Oh,
Now refresh the page. Click on that setup button again. Setups. Beside bell icon, you can see the setup one. Setup here. Yes, click on that. Yeah, click on that. Okay. Now go to view profile. That avatar icon in the right top corner. Settings. Go to advanced user detail.
yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah. You can stop the
Okay.
screen sharing now.
Okay, thank you.
Share. Okay, great. Now I believe everyone is on this particular page. So from here, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to the profile. This one. Okay. Uh, third option. Okay. So first option we have role, then we have user license, and then we have profile. So you'll have to click on this particular profile. So hover over on this and click on it. Okay, now it will open this profile settings. Okay, here we'll have to search for password. policies. This one, this particular password policies. So what I will do, first I will click on this edit button, and once it is in edit mode, search for password policies. Let me know if everyone is here on this particular page.
Edit after I'm in system administrator page and
You'll have to search for password policies. So once you click on edit button, that means all the settings for that particular profile is in
yeah,
edit mode. Then search for password policies like this and
yeah,
come to
right,
this.
right. I'm there. I'm there. Thank you.
Yes, yes, great. Okay. If you are already on this page, please update it in the chat section. Okay, great. Okay, so now I believe everyone is here. So from here, what we are going to do is we are going to change the settings for password, because as you can see right now here, by default Salesforce password policy is set like this. Okay, so user password expires in every 90 days. Okay, here we have different option: 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 180 days. Okay, 1 year, and never expires. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to select here as never expire. If it is selected as 90 days or 180 days or 30 days, that means your password is going to expire in that particular time period, and when you log in, you'll have to give the new password. Okay, you'll have to set up the new password. Okay, so for that reason, we are going to set this as never expires. Now here, the second is enforce password history. That we are not going to do anything. Okay, minimum password length is also exactly same. Lockout period. Okay, earlier it was 30 minutes. Okay, by default it was 30 minutes, but then Salesforce has reduced that 30 minutes of time to 15 minutes. Okay, so we are going to keep it as it is. And earlier the maximum invalid login attempts was only 3, but now they have changed it to like more number of login attempts. Okay, so if your already is selected as 3, then you may select more or no limit. Okay, that also you can select. That means even if you try to enter the wrong username password, okay, your username sorry, your Salesforce will not be locked, okay, for any particular time period. So these settings you have to do. The first one is password expires in, and second one is maximum invalid login attempts. And once this is done, just click on save. That's
Actually,
it.
I have one which is already checked, which says allow use of set password API for self resets. That one is already checked for me.
Which one? I don't see that here.
Let me share my
Let-
screen.
Yes, let me stop the screen sharing. Okay. Okay, you can do that. Allow use of set password API for self reset. Okay, this seems to be something new setting which Salesforce might have introduced in new orgs. Okay, because this is my old org, and if it is already checked, then I would suggest you to do not do anything there, like do not uncheck it or something like that. So API, we use API. Let's say if your Salesforce org is integrated with any different third-party application or something, right? And when you log in through your third-party application in your Salesforce, that means it uses the API. Okay, so for that purpose, Salesforce might have introduced this new feature. Okay, so yeah. Okay, just update it in the chat section that you have completed these steps. Okay, great. Now your Salesforce org is ready. Okay, you can log in your Salesforce org, and this Salesforce org we are going to use it throughout the course. And also this Salesforce org is free for lifetime. Okay, there is no expiry date for it, so it will not going to expire or something like that. So you can use the same developer org, okay, for as many years as you want. Then as we change the password policies, okay, your password will not be going to expire, okay, and it will be the same password, okay. And yeah, so that means now you are ready for your Salesforce developer org. Now we are going to create another account, which is Trailhead account. Okay, so Trailhead is basically provided by Salesforce for new users or Salesforce employees. Okay, or whoever wants to learn the Salesforce. So
You
basically,
are
it
not
is a
you are not sharing anything. Are you
no,
sharing
no,
something?
no,
Okay.
no. I'm not
Okay.
sharing anything. Yeah.
Okay.
So this Trailhead is basically the training platform for everyone. Okay. So if you want to learn Salesforce, so they have like created this Trailhead in such a way that you can complete modules, like you will have modules there, units there, okay. And once you complete those modules, okay, you will earn points, okay, and that point will going to show up. So I just entered that Trailhead link in the chat section. Let me share my screen just to show you how it looks. Just a minute, let me log in first. Unfortunately, I am not able to log in right now. So I think it's best is if anyone can share your screen. So we'll go through the sign up process, okay? And then I will explain it to you guys how we can use the Trailhead platform. So who wants to share? Okay, great. Yeah. So this is the Trailhead platform for everyone. Okay. So first time when you open this particular link, you'll have to sign up and you'll have to create the account. So click on sign up button. You can continue with Salesforce or you can give the email address as well. Yeah, continue with Salesforce. Enter your username password. It is loading. Okay, go to that Trailhead again. Trailhead link. It is already open, right? Beside the second last Trailhead. Yeah. Click on sign up. Okay, here you can log in with different accounts. You can log in with email as well. Not Google. I would not suggest you to go with Google. You go with Salesforce only because the Salesforce account is created, right? Continue with Salesforce. Did you guys sign up using Salesforce? Okay, great. Yeah, select here your region, your state. Okay, okay, that's fine. Email address is also fine. refresh it.
No, she gave that USA email, right? So how can she get it?
Sorry.
When she did the sign up?
USA.com. I'm not sure about this. Is this the correct one? When
No, that that's her developer ID.
Oh, okay. No, no, no. When you say email, okay, then you'll have to provide the email address there, not the username. Sorry, I thought you have provided your email address. There is no going back, okay? Just go to the Trailhead link again. Yeah, sign up. When you say email, that means you'll have to provide your valid email address there. Yeah, now you received, right? Enter your first name, last name, company name, role as administrator, relationship with Salesforce, select non-customer prospect. Okay, great. Now you are logged in your Trailhead account. Okay, so this is the Trailhead account provided by Salesforce. It's a free learning platform for everyone. And here you will find trails, modules you need. So if you go to the Learn tab, so beside today we have Learn, right? So here you see we have trail mix, modules. Click on modules. So you will see all the modules, okay, in one page, and there are more than 1,000 modules are there, and all will be jumbled, so it will be difficult for you to search for that particular module. Okay, so what we do is when we provide assignments, okay, for any particular topic, so along with that we also provide Trailhead link as well. Okay, so using that link, you will be easily able to find that particular module. But if you want to search it on your own, you'll have to give some filters over here. Okay, it says sort, right? Newest. Then you'll have to select your level as beginner, product as sales, role as administrator. Okay, then it will get filtered out, okay, all the modules, and then in that list of modules you will have to search for any particular module.
I have an issue.
Mhm.
Let me share my screen.
Yes, then you can stop your screen sharing for a moment. Thank you.
You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Enter company name, roles will be administrator, and relationship is non-customer prospect. Hmm.
Do you want me to go back?
Yeah, what I would suggest is just close this tab and try this from scratch.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I have an issue, like, let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yes. Yes, I can see your screen.
So I logged in, and this is what I did previously, like, but I do not remember anything, whatever I
Okay.
did it, but I want to practice it once again because, so how do I go from here? Like, if you are able to see.
So this is your screen where it shows how many badges you have completed, how many points, right, you have earned.
Yeah.
But do not log out. No
Oh,
need to
sorry.
log out.
Oh.
It's fine.
So from chat only, I will take that link again and try to sign up again. Will that help?
No. There is no need to do that. You have already created your Trailhead account, right? So use the same one. Why to create a new one?
Okay, so I need to sign up, or?
You don't need to sign up. You have already signed up in the past. So just log in with the same credentials. You were already logged in, right? So just use the exact same Trailhead account which you have already earlier created. And the developer org is also, I guess, you have created earlier.
Yeah. So this is not Trailhead. This is the one, right?
Refresh it.
Continue with Salesforce.
You do not have to sign up. As I said earlier, you do not have to sign up because you have already signed up in the past. When we do sign up, when we want to create a new account, don't do that. Do
Okay.
not put your email address there. You do not need to sign up. You have to log in. You have already created your account, right? The account is already created. You just have to use the exact same account. Close that tab, sign up. That sign up tab, close it. Yeah. Click on login. You'll have to select options there. Select Salesforce. Earlier you were logged in. How did you log in there?
Yeah,
Did
I
you
just
do
followed
you
the same
remember?
Salesforce and I use this.
Yes.
This is how I
Go
did
ahead.
it.
Go ahead. Follow the same steps. Okay, close this. Close this developer org. Second one also. Close it. Okay, now go to Trailhead.
Salesforce, right?
Login. Click login. Click Trailblazer account. Not sure whether it will take you to the right page or not, but I can try. Okay, now continue with Salesforce. Continue with Salesforce.
Start
Click
my.
on that account. No, you do not have to. Why are you going in the wrong direction? I told you multiple times, you have already created account. You just have to use the same one. You have to log in. Okay, now it's logged in. Okay. So just remember the steps what you did. When you go in the login, use Trailhead account and use Salesforce. So this is your Trailhead account. You were using it earlier and you are going to use it in the future as well. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever badges you have completed earlier, okay, and the points you have earned, You can always go back to that patches and learn from scratch. Okay.
Okay, so we can redo that also.
Yes, you can do
Okay. Okay. That was my question. Thank you.
that. Yeah. Okay. Uh, everyone has created Trailhead account.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Can anyone share your screen? Just want to confirm one thing. Logged in your Trailhead account. Share your screen. And just one thing we need to confirm. Okay, great. You are logged in, right? So as I was saying earlier, here we have modules. You can, search modules as well. If you go to the view profile at the right top corner, there you will see points, how many points you have earned and how many batches you have completed. Okay, so click on that view profile option beside that call option, right? Yes. Go to profile, second option, go to profile. Okay, great. This is your profile for Trailhead. Okay. You can add your short bio here. This is your Trailhead link. Okay, this link you can give in your resume. Okay, so that they can check your Trailhead account. Badges, as of now, you can see if you just scroll down, you can see the badges is 0. Scroll up a little bit. Yes, here badges, points, trails. Okay, so once you do your badges, you will that will gonna show up over here, and the points which you earn, okay, those points will also show up. And if you completed any trail, let's say, so that will also gonna show up here. uh, let's say in future, if you do the certifications of Salesforce, okay, and you are using the exact same email address which you have used for your Trailhead account, then your certificates will automatically show up. Okay, if you use your different email address for your certification, different email address for your Trailhead account, then you will have to link it in future. Okay, so for that you will have to connect with the support agent of Trailhead, uh, and they will guide you how you can do that. Okay, now scroll down a little bit. So all the badges, whatever badges you will complete it, that you can see over here, and you can also do some super badges. Okay, so that will gonna open up once step by step complete all the badges. Okay, now scroll up. So you logged in Trailhead account using your email address or Salesforce account?
Salesforce account.
Salesforce account. Great. Yeah. So if you logged in using your email address, I would suggest you to connect or link your Salesforce account with Trailhead. So for that, what you'll have to do is go to your profile, that view profile option again, beside that magnifying glass. Yes. Now go to settings.
No, sorry.
No. Yeah, it's fine. Go to settings. Okay, great. The third option, connected accounts. Click on connected accounts. Okay, and here you will have to connect your account. Okay, for you it already says it's a developer edition. Okay, but whosoever is connected using email address or sign up using email address, just connect account using this button. So just for demo, yeah, click on that button. Once you do that, you'll have to continue with Salesforce. Okay, then provide your username and password and click on submit, and then it will get connected automatically. Okay. Yeah, you can close this now, Matthew.
Okay.
Close it. You don't need to do anything because you
Okay.
have
Stop
already
share.
connected. Yeah. Okay, so that one thing you'll have to do. So try to connect the account if you have already signed up using email addresses, and let me know in the next class if you are able to connect the account or not, or if you received any error or something like that. Okay. So that's it for today. So today we have created Salesforce account, we have created Trailhead account, and we have learned how we can link Trailhead and Salesforce account, because in future, now from now on, you will have to use these two accounts regularly on regular basis. Okay, so once we complete any particular topic, we send assignments, so you'll have to complete that assignment in your developer org. Okay, along with that assignment, we also provide Trailhead link. Okay, so that you will have to complete it in your connected account of your Trailhead. Okay, so that you can do that. Yeah, so that's it for today. We will continue with the in the next class now. Okay, so in the next class we'll see introduction of Salesforce, and then uh, other things of Salesforce. Okay, additions and all.
Next will be on Friday, is it?
Yes,
It will
next
be at
And
will be
9
Friday,
p.m.
9 p.m. Right.
9
So today only it was it. Yeah, today only it was 9:30 because actually I was traveling. So
the class is 1.5 hours, right? Not 2 hours. Or is it 2 hours?
no, actually it completely depends on the topic. Okay,
Okay.
but mostly we take 1 hour or maybe 1.5, not more than that.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And
Okay, then. Thank you.
I have
Yeah,
a
go
question.
ahead.
What this tomorrow, like tomorrow is Thursday, right? Thursday there are some classes for resume prep and references. So do we have to join that tomorrow?
Uh, I would suggest you can do that, because side by side, okay, when you are learning, you can prepare your resume as well, because it will be difficult for you once you complete all the sessions, okay, and then you are preparing your resume. So it's I would suggest it's a time consuming. So just uh, join that session,
Mhm.
learn how you can prepare your resume, right, and how you can make it ready for your job
Okay.
interviews.
So
Yeah.
I have not received any email so far from.
I think the communication will be shared on the group itself, WhatsApp group.
No. The earlier I was saying in the beginning, do you have you will receive the email about the class schedule and all?
Okay, then you'll have to reach out to the HR. Okay, whoever is HR is assigned to you, reach out to him or her, and they will provide you the exact steps how you can join the session.
Okay.
I have a
Yeah.
question.
Mhm.
This course says Salesforce admin and BA. So will be learning BA skills also in this, or just a Salesforce admin?
So when you work as a Salesforce administrator, okay, so your job is to communicate with client,
Yeah.
understand what their requirement is, okay, and then admin standpoint, you need to implement that in the Salesforce org.
Okay.
So it will be Salesforce admin throughout this course.
Okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
What about the videos for the recording of this?
That is going to update it on the sheet which you have received already via email.
Is
So
it the Google?
Google Drive. Yeah.
Okay.
Do we have to watch the videos if we are attending the live classes? Is it necessary to take, watch the previous class videos?
It's completely depend on you. I would suggest if you do that, it will be very good for you, because sometimes what happens is in live classes, there might be some scenarios you may not understand, but when you go through the videos again and again, right, it happens. You will understand it more clearly. So it completely depends on you. If you are, let's say, absent for any particular topic, then for sure you'll have to go through the recording.
So I was talking about that the email of that videos only, the Google Sheet. So from which email ID would I receive it?
So the email address which you have provided.
No. Yeah, I have provided the email ID, but I did not receive anything. So I just wanted to check it once. Can you resend?
Revati, I have already shared with you. Can you share your email ID in the chat?
Yeah, sure.
I think I already shared with you.
Yeah, I'm sending it one. I'm sharing my email ID once more.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Share it in the chat.
Yeah, I just did.
1 minute. Give me a sec. 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, this is Nidhi here. Even I want to be sent email videos.
Yeah, share your email ID. Yeah, Nidhi, I think I already shared with you, but share it. I'll share right away.
What I would suggest is share your email address in WhatsApp group, Salesforce Admin Training Group.
Yeah, the
Revati,
email
I just shared.
came from GuruSchools IT training.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yes.
received it right now. Thank you.
Matthew, I already shared with you. Revati, I shared with you.
Yeah, thank you.
That's a spreadsheet, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So there you will find the section sheet name as Salesforce Training Previous Class Recording. So there you will see the previous class recordings.
Okay, maybe the link is not proper or something like that. I am not seeing that. That's why. Yeah.
So after this, like after 1 or 2 hours, I will update this recording, right?
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So it is not updated. This is the first class, right? So we'll
Okay,
update
sure.
for this.
Okay then, thank you.
Nidhi shared with you. Okay, Param, I already shared with you, but again I'll share. Okay. Harim also already shared with you. You guys have already already earlier we have shared with you, right? So just bookmark it on your laptop.
Okay, thank you then. Have a good one.
Sure.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you. Bye.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
Bye.
you.